How to tie the fisherman's bend. So in front of me I've got my rope laid out, and to the left hand side is going to be my working end, and this is the stanchion that we want to tie the fisherman's bend to. So the first thing we do is we bring enough rope through and then pass the working end over the stanchion, bring it around underneath and then pass it over again and bring it round underneath. Now that we've done that, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our working end, we pass it over everything, and then what we're going to do is pass it underneath that turn there. So bring it round underneath, pass it through that turn there, pull it through, pull sufficient through, pull it up tightly, and then once we've done that, we then lock that off with a half hitch, bring it round over the standing end, underneath the standing end, through that gap there, and then pull it up nice and tight, dress it smartly, and there we have it, 1 in number fisherman's bend.